This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials. Now start the process. Sign into your Roblox account, confirm email, and enable two-step authentication for safety. Once done, open the Roblox Developer Hub and navigate to the API keys or Create tab. Make sure you're listed as the place owner or have developer permissions for that experience. Otherwise, key generation is blocked. Begin creating a new API key by naming it for the project and selecting scopes you need. This prevents overprivileged tokens later. Continue by choosing the correct scopes for the key. Limit permissions to only what your integration requires because fewer scopes reduce risk. Give the key a descriptive name and set an expiration or define a rotation policy so you don't forget to replace it. When the key is generated, copy and securely store the secret immediately. The dashboard often shows it only once. Once stored, register the key in your application's environment variables and restrict access to developer accounts only. Finish by deploying the key to your staging environment and testing simple, non-destructive API calls to confirm permissions and rate limits. Make sure your app uses the token in authorization headers and that environment variables aren't leaked in logs. If calls fail, check scopes, expiration, and any IP or CORS restrictions you applied. Also verify the experience owner matches the key's allowed projects. If the key is compromised, revoke it immediately and replace it with a rotated key to maintain security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.